Making faceless videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok has never been easier. Nowadays, it's one of the best ways to earn passive income in 2024. Take channels like Living Wisdom, for example. They make thousands of dollars every month with over 1.2 million subscribers. And the content they generate is all automated by AI. So what is their secret? Generating and consistently uploading contents daily. But let's be real, it's not going to be easy. Your first video probably won't go viral. And this is where many give up. But if Living Wisdom quit after their first few videos, they wouldn't be here today, making a Sigma amount of money every month. At the end of this video, you will learn how to create a fully monetizable channel and videos in just 3 simple steps, and I will show you how to boost your channel using the power of SEO. Let's jump right into it now.
Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results.
Thank you, Einstein. So what can we do to not end up as insane? Well, we would go around in a circle if we didn't have directions for our destinations. The majority of the online gurus wouldn't teach you this, but if you did some research for the market in the first place, the chances of blowing up for you would be much easier. Try to aim for trending niches or niches that you know very well that could blow up in the near future. How to predict it? Just scroll on any of your short platforms like YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikTok and try to see the hidden gems that have a lot of views but not many people doing it at the moment. When researching a niche, it's super important to analyze what other successful channels are doing. Look at your competitors to see what kind of videos are getting the most attention. This will give you ideas on how to improve or bring something new to the table. Remember, the goal isn't to copy them, but to innovate and find ways to stand out. Since I will focus on the YouTube Shorts platform in this video, I will use Playboard. It has more than 19 million channels data on YouTube for you to look at and analyze. Look for the most viewed shorts in the niche you're considering to see if that niche is potential enough. Then try to look for trending topics that have low competition. This will guarantee a higher chance for your channels to blow up. The tool that I'm about to show you in this video has already included trending niches for you to choose from, so stick to the video. Also remember to schedule your videos often because consistency is the key to this game. If you're a content creator, you probably have known this, that creating faceless videos comes with its own set of costs. While you can use free tools like ChatGPT for script writing, if you want more quality for your channel, you'll need to invest more. ChatGPT paid version costs $20 a month. AI voices from 11 Labs are $22 a month. Midjourney for visuals adds another $10, and video editing software might cost extra. Altogether, it's about $60 a month. Imagine you need to go shopping to make a full-course meal. You'd get the ingredients, take them home, unpack, and cook everything. There is nothing wrong with it, it just takes a lot of time and kind of annoying if you don't cook that often. Or you could just Uber a fresh, hot pizza. All you need to do is just relax, wait, and then enjoy them once they've arrived. It's super convenient, right? That's the difference AI tools bring to the table nowadays. Instead of doing everything manually, you get a ready-to-use, monetizable video in minutes without all the hassle. The tool I'm about to show you is packed with all the processes of creating a video, so you can just drop some fantastic ideas on it and let it polish off the details for you. All for $39 a month. Here's the thing, the cost of it is even much more sensible compared to the normal content creation program prices. Think of it as an investment in yourself and your business. This $40 a month could turn into thousands once you get your channel off the ground. The AI tool that I mentioned is SmartShort. It automates almost everything, from script writing to editing. Whether your niche is motivation, tech, or even storytelling, SmartShort has got you covered. It saves time, reduces cost, and allows you to focus on growing your channel rather than stressing over every detail. Now let's dive into how SmartShort actually works. First, go to their site and log in. You can generate unique videos in any niche, whether it's a motivational story, a what-if scenario, or even product reviews. You can also select from 16 different languages, which makes it easy to create content for global audiences. For example, let's generate a script around the topic, what if all the humans have superpowers? This tool will create a detailed script in seconds. Pretty neat, right? Once you have your script, SmartShort allows you to customize every detail. You can adjust how often visuals change, add smooth transitions, or even tweak the background music. The AI can also automatically remove silent parts from your voiceover. This is huge because no one likes awkward pauses in videos. You can also add animations and emojis to keep your audience engaged. In today's social media world, small details like this make a big difference. From what I've observed while scrolling across shorts is that adding a simple emoji to a caption or enhancing a scene with transitions keeps viewers watching longer. And let's face it, the longer they watch, the better your chances of getting on the YouTube algorithm's good side. Let's go through an example. I'm going to prompt here with the topic, what if all the humans have superpowers? Select your preferred voice. I'll go with Onyx for this, and hit generate. SmartShort does the rest, compiling visuals, voiceover, and effects into a fully formed video. This is awesome, right? Normally, creating this kind of video with visuals would take hours, but SmartShort did it in seconds. And if you want to change anything, whether it's colors, text, or images, it's all easily adjustable in the editing panel. Now let's see the video.
Imagine a world where everyone has superpowers. The possibilities are endless. People could fly to work, eliminating traffic jams forever. Imagine the thrill of soaring through the skies, feeling the wind rush past you. But what about the challenges? With everyone having powers, how would society change? Would there be a new form of government to manage all these abilities? Think about it. Superheroes battling for control. What happens when someone misuses their powers? Crime might take a wild turn. Thieves could teleport away in an instant. Law enforcement would need to adapt quickly. Special teams might be formed to handle rogue superhumans. Education would also transform. Schools would teach kids how to manage their abilities. Imagine classes on flying techniques or strength training. Relationships could become complicated. Would love be based on powers? Would people feel pressured to be super? This world would be a mix of wonder and chaos. It raises questions about responsibility and ethics. How would humanity cope with such power? The excitement is palpable, but so are the risks. What would you do in a world like this?
No need to spend hours on complicated editing software, and as you can see, the video quality is impressive. Keywords, thumbnails, and tags are crucial for helping people find your videos. Keywords help your videos show up in searches, thumbnails grab attention, and tags tell YouTube what your video is about. Most of the gurus would just tell you how to generate or create a video. They wouldn't tell you enough about how to actually use SEO to boost your videos and channels. This is a very crucial aspect because even if your content is really good, if people never saw it in the first place, they wouldn't have the chance to click on it. I recommend using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These tools help you find the best keywords, track your competitors, and give insights on what tags and titles are performing well. They even suggest improvements for your thumbnails, so your video can stand out more. Using these tools alongside Smart Short will help you optimize your videos and grow your channel faster. Smart Short offers 3 plans. $19 a month for 20 short videos, $39 a month for 50 videos, and $68 a month for 100 videos. You can easily manage multiple YouTube channels and even with other platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok with these plans. They even have a lifetime deal for $499, which is perfect if you're in it for the long haul. Now, to compare this with buying all these tools separately, AI voices, image generators, editors, and you'll see Smart Short saves both money and time. So to wrap it up, 3 steps you need. First is R&D. Second is using Smart Shorts for content creation, and then SEO to top it off. That's it for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you decide to try Smart Short, share your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.